All right, y'all. So what I gotta do today is just mower. Trying to turn it. I want to be in much shade as possible. I need to bring this one over here. Okay. Both of these are Briggs and Stratton motors. Basically looking alike, as you can see from the tops. Just different names, but I think MTD and y'all machines is the exact same thing anyway. The biggest difference is this is self-propel. Okay, so I had this sitting in the back, and a gentleman brought me this. It was given to him, and he wanted to have it fixed. So since I had that in the back, I decided to go ahead and take it because this carburetor should fit it. This that plastic carburetor. The thing I don't know though is the linkage. But that's what said they look alike from the top, you know, all the way around. The motors look good, look the same, pretty much. I think just the plastic covers, you know, at the top here is just different. That's all I think. It's the only real difference. So we finna try to change that carburetor to there, and hopefully that one will run. I don't have that outside cover. Wish I did. But kind of seems like they're gonna have to just live with it. That's what it sounds like to me. This one got petrol in it. Yeah, this one got petrol in it. So I'm gonna tilt this over to work on it. Because I do not want to waste the gas. Looking at the way the that's made on there, that looks pretty good. I like that. So you got two thumb screws. I think when I take this loose and everything, I'm probably gonna save that for me. Maybe for another job where it don't have one, I can just drill some holes and screw it right onto it. Okay, first things first, get this out the way. Filter still looks good though. Ain't bad. Boy, he is dirty. Trying to get some tools a little closer to us, so we don't have to move so far to get to them. Yeah, that should work. Use a small socket. I'm thinking those two screws is going to be 7 and an 8. I'm not sure. You can see them right there, what I'm talking about. We can test them though. That's a 7, and that's an 8, and that's gonna work for us too. I think I'm gonna clean this up too after I take it off. Make it just a little bit nicer. Ain't gotta be perfect, but that seems like that's just a little too ugly. What I'm seeing from the carburetor though, does not look bad. I just turned it like this though because I didn't want to waste that petrol, and Didn't want oil to get inside of the carburetor. It's only one here. Should have been two. Yeah, should have been two. Okay. I'm gonna probably have to take that plastic cover off so I can get to that linkage and make it a lot better, a lot easier. Because we're not trying to work hard, we're trying to work smarter. I think I'm gonna unhook it underneath here. I'm not seeing no line on the other, so I'm just gonna put the fuel line here. Also got a little petrol starting to drip. Yeah. Let me I need some plows. Set this down. That'll work. Loosen you up. Come on, don't waste on me. Okay. Now I should have took that plastic case off first, but I didn't. So what we about to do is take the one off of here so that I don't have the same problem. You know something? Just thought about it. I do have the drill real handy right here. Speed this up a little bit. Okay. Now what that allows me to do, move this gas tank. If I'd have been thinking, I could have just took the whole gas tank, which I might do anyway. The linkage is there. Okay, with the linkage being there, that makes my job a lot easier. Okay, so let's do the carburetor. Unhook the linkage from right here. But what I want to do underneath here, you got a little screw. I want to open it up and let any trash that's in there out. So I got to find something for that. Gotta kind of move this, keep it gas from leaking so much. Yeah, I got these from Harbor Freight a long time ago, and that's what I just used to pop the bottom open on these here. Something I found about these old plastic ones, boy. They hard to get loose. For some reason, I don't know why. Well, I'll start my petrol. I want to use it to wash the trash out. I don't know if this might come open by hand. Yeah, there you go. Now I'm finna, but what I'm still do, even though I'm gonna still run gas through it. So what I'm finna do is put gas through the top and let it run all the way through, letting all the trash out. Put this on before I showing you, but usually what I do, just hook it in there, twist it, go right here. Got the little grooves, you can't go wrong on it. Line it up and just push it straight on. That's that. Okay, next thing, petrol tank. Now I was thinking, and I probably am, of taking the other tank, only because it has the gas already in it. Quick little hook up here and then the gas is already in it. Okay, let me set y'all this side because I gotta get the drill and take the cover off over here. Okay. Okay, so we get to pop the cake off. Then we get up the gas here. Then put the tank back. There we go. Now I gotta move the clamp back, but that's cool. Okay. I'm just moving it because I didn't pull the string to see if it even worked. While I'm here, could use a little oil, but it does have oil in it. Okay. The right spot. Okay. Right there. Let's get these three back in. Okay, stoves. Okay, I should be able to just move the oven out the way. I'd like to try to start this before I do anything else, because I'm thinking I gotta also all the cables. Okay, so let me see if I can bring you up just a little bit. Then we can move some of that other junk. There we go. Got you up. Move this one out the way. Yeah, the top one is that's just I'm thinking we just pull on it and just see if it'll start. Then after that, then we'll worry about the self-propel. The main thing is get that to start. Oh, I have fresh gas too. Let me top the gas off. That way I know I had fresh with it. Okay, so we got fresh gas. Worst thing that could probably happen is we got to go through the carburetor and clean it. But what we finna do is try it anyway. Okay, other than a little taste of old gas left in there, it should be good to go. Like I said, I gotta oil up the cable here for this self-propel. Also gonna oil it up down here, right up in here and everything. I'm gonna oil all that up also, and that should fix that. Because when I pulled it, it kind of seemed like they moved a little bit. So I'm thinking it's just oiling. Alright. Deck look good on it, so I'm gonna put the cover back on it because I still gotta clean it. But I'm gonna put it back and I'm gonna call this a done deal right here. What they say, love it when a plan come together. Alright, y'all. Thank y'all. Don't forget to like and subscribe.